Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by our girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. So today we're opening up the Causebox. So I was very happy with my first Causebox, and I'm going to link it up in the cards above. And it's always filled with such good things, and the things I fill it with are sustainable, eco-friendly, and serve a purpose really. So one of the things before supported young women in another country in order to go to school. And that's really in a nutshell why I love this box so much. So I am really excited to open it up, and the artwork is just gorgeous, like so pretty. I actually realized I should probably just let my hair down. So let's open up the box. Oh my god, look at that. That is so pretty. So they always hire an artist to do the artwork of the boxes. And this time, this is so gorgeous. This is so much my aesthetic. Oh my god. So pretty. And like always, there's a little booklet that comes with it to tell you what's in the box and a little bit about the products too. Right. The first thing that I'm pulling out, I'm actually excited for. I think I know what this is. That is adorable. Oh my god. Okay, these are so in right now. It is insane. These little wicker bags. This is great. And so this is a gorgeous straw tote that screams summer, designed exclusively for the summer box. Proceeds from this product support ocean conservation initiatives around the world, and it's from Altru. So actually it doesn't have a price associated with it. So a lot of these things, I don't think I'm going to be able to tell you what the suggested retail price would be, because I think a lot of these things are made specifically for this box. And so therefore I'm not going to be able to say much about how much they actually cost. And it comes with these little tassels to put on it. That is adorable. That is so cute. Oh my god. I love that. Okay. Okay. So this is the Quagga Green Wet Bikini Pouch, made from 100% recycled fabric with custom for Causebox artwork designed by French artist Melanie Johnson. And so this is supposed to keep your swimsuits and anything that is wet, so like workout wear, swimsuits, separate from the rest of your clothes. And so it's actually lined on the inside with what feels like plastic, but the outside feels more canvasy. And I love this pattern. Oh, it is so cute. This is perfect for the beach. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but I always have to bring either like a plastic bag or something to put my swimsuit in afterwards if I change at the beach, because I don't want that stuff messing up my entire car with being wet or whatever else I put in my bag. So this is perfect. Scrunchies! So at this point, you all should know that I adore scrunchies, and these are really cute. These are so soft. Oh my god. And on the back it says every product purchased provides 3 meals for a child in need. Bandedtogether.com, 1 equals 3. Oh my god, that is so sweet. So I really like that I got these, and I'm excited to try one on. So this one I think goes with my outfit. There it is in the hair. It's super cute. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, that is cute. So every Causebox comes with a postcard based on the artwork of the box. So the artist who designed the box also designs the artwork for the postcard. And so this is by Antra Sparks. Exclusive 5x7 art print, which doubles as a postcard, from Australian artist and summer box designer Antra Sparks. So this is actually really neat. I like this. I might actually keep that one as an art piece and might just frame it up behind me. I do have to fill in this wall eventually, so they're definitely going for a beachy theme. That is for sure. Well, I mean, it is the summer box, so it is a little shawl. So it's like a beach cover-up. It's very rough, though. Like, the fabric is super rough. I wonder what it's made out of. It does not tell me. Oh well. But that is really nice. I like how that looks. So next is this All Good Reef Friendly, oh that's so good, sport sunscreen. Zinc formula, non-greasy, water resistant for 80 minutes. And that is amazing. Anybody who is like me forgets to put on their sunscreen until the absolute last minute, and then, you know, realize that they have to wait before they go in the water. This one, yay! I don't have to worry about it being toxic to the ocean, and then I can actually go in and not have to worry about it so much, which is good. And it says it's the All Good high performance sunscreen without common ingredients that damage and bleach coral reefs and pollute our oceans. Organic ingredients, planet friendly, and great for your skin. Awesome. It's pretty much non-scented. Like I can't smell it. It doesn't have that normal sunscreen smell, which I actually kind of like the sunscreen smell, but at the same time, it's good when it doesn't have it. Oh, someone wants to come up. Say hi to Blue Bear, my puppy. Hi, Blue. You want to just say hi for this video? Yeah? Are you interested in a Causebox? Are you interested in a Causebox? Are you a Causebox puppy? He's a Causebox puppy. Now that you've modeled for me, you're free to go, puppy. Next up is this Hanalei Island Aloe Gel. This one I had a choice apparently, and it's a choice of 2 skincare products inspired by natural ingredients found in Hawaii. Both are great for summer skin and contain some of our favorite botanicals. And so this, of course, is aloe gel, which an essential for summer, let's be honest. We all pretend that we put on enough sunscreen, and then we all obviously do not. Like, nobody does. We all get burnt. So this will be great for that after sun skincare. Last but not least, ooh, this is what I think it is. I'm gonna like it. Insulated tumbler, dual wall stainless steel, lid included, 12 hours cold, shatterproof, vacuum insulated. It's a little tumbler. So this is the Reduce Everyday, an insulated drink tumbler from a brand dedicated to replacing every disposable product with an improved, durable, and reusable alternative. And this is perfect for the beach. Although the only thing that I can see that's downside is that it actually doesn't close fully. It still has an opening. So even if you were to like pack it, if you tipped it, you'd kind of be screwed. But overall, this is a nice idea and option for the beach. So that, beautiful people, is everything that is inside my summer Causebox. I will admit, I do love some of the things that I got, like these scrunchies. I know, I'm so basic, I'm sorry. I would have preferred it if this reusable tumbler had like a lid or a slidey portions that if you upended it, it would have been fine. But I actually love the artwork. I'm going to keep the art print for once. I normally don't actually. I do give them away, but this one I actually really like. I'm going to get so much use out of that straw tote. And the beach cover-up, hey, who doesn't need a new beach cover-up? The reusable wet pouch, yes please, for summer. Summer essential. And of course, I may not love it as much right now, but I will love it later when the burn comes, when the ouch, ouch, ouch burn comes. Overall, I still think the Causebox is a great value, and it really does give back to the community. I'm sorry I can't be as immediately excited about some of these pieces because they are all more functional. And in some ways that's good because they're more functional, so you're actually going to get a lot more use out of them than, say, the traditional things that come in subscription boxes. So I can't go, ooh, ah, like I have with some of the other stuff I've gotten in the past when I open it up and it looks amazing or it smells really good, but I actually think that I'm going to get the most use out of the stuff in this box. And it's a really great value if you use all of it. So I hope you all enjoyed, beautiful people, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!